Hi, this is Monster Restorer 91, and today I'm going to show you how to install a train horn. This is the Wolo brand that you could buy in Harbor Freight, O'Reilly's, or AutoZone. I'm going to show you how to install it. What you will need is a 14 gauge wire for positive and negative. It's better to use the colors that are required so you won't mess things up. You want these sockets, zip ties, so you could like zip it around the cable. Well, I'm just gonna show you right now how to do it. So basically what you do, you get the negative from the compressor, which is this one that goes to the tubings. You connect it to the ground wire, which one is over here, or you could find it anywhere as long as it's ground. But before you do all that, you have to disconnect the negative battery, and for safety reasons, disconnect also the positive battery so you won't short anything else. So basically, okay, you get the negative with the ground and positive to this relay that is also included to 87, as you could see, 87. It goes to the compressor. Also, the 86 and 30, you make a Y and then you splice it, and then you put you insert, make a Y and connect it to the positive terminal right here. And then you get the 85 relay, 85, and run it down to the button. It doesn't matter where you connect it at because there's no positive or negative, as you could see. So this negative cable, you have to find ground, which that's my ground. I connected it right here, the ground. How do I know there's ground? You get a test light, and then you see the light right there, so that's ground. So basically it's easy to install. So you just press it right here, and that's about it. So you just have to figure out where you're gonna install the horns. Every car is different. Every car is different, so it depends where you install your horns. You can install them right here, where basically it won't get wet. So you need to run the wire, and you could run it through the steering link or somewhere where there's an opening. So you could install this one. You have to extend the number 85, the red one, more, so you could run it through the engine, through under here. And then this one, you don't have to worry about the negative, because the negatives, it could be shorter than this. And then you just drill the holes and just install it right here, or wherever you want. You can install it here or here, anywhere. So it's easy installation. And also, I'm not responsible for any bad or wrong installation that you guys do, so do it at your own risk. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up.